Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm at a gas station here in Canada and I just filled gas here. And as you know that most of the gas stations in Canada are automated, okay? I mean unmanned. When I say automated means unmanned, where you have to go, you have to pay in advance and then you have to pump in the gasoline yourself. In Asian countries it is called petroleum, whatever you say. But a lot of people ask why it is like that, why not manned. So I'll tell you some reasons about it. First of all, like there is a shortage of workforce, okay? In Canada, like population is less, so there's always some kind of shortage with workforce. Second thing is like right now it's summer season, so everything is fine. With the temperature, people can stand outside for hours. But if it is winter, when you have -20, -30, can you imagine somebody even after putting all the jackets can stay out in cold for hours? It's not possible, right? That's why it is automated. You come, you drive the car, come near to the pump, get out of your car, fill the gas, go back. As simple as that. And that's it. Same thing you will find in USA also. And another thing, like at every gas stations, I would say most, you'll find a convenience store, car wash, a small kind of restaurant, like here you see A&W, and car wash and air supply. Now even car wash is automated over here, okay? So there's nothing to worry about with that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.